What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope everybody's doing well. Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. We're going to go over our friend Bitcoin. Currently sitting at 17.2, up 1.4 on the day. We're sitting at market cap of 328 billion. 24-hour volume 25.82 billion. Let's hop into the charts. We're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So we bounced from our wave 4 pullback zone. A 5-wave move could already be complete. If that were to be the case, we do have a bearish divergence on the 1 hour RSI. If we were to pull back, you would look for a pullback in between 16.6 and 16.3K with a minimum target of the 0.382 at 16.8. So potentially what we're looking at here is that we're trying to put in a wave C of a wave 2 pullback. This is a wave 1, this is a wave 2 pullback. So I think our wave 3 may be extended here, just due to the fact that we've already completed a 5-wave move. So let's say we pull back to the golden ratio at 16.5K. Take your trend base extension from the bottom of wave 1 to the top of wave 1, then you would see your wave 2 pullback. So a 1.618 extension would be all the way up at 18.5K. However, the wave 3, it can end at the 1, or it can end at the 1.382. That's definitely a possibility. So let's say we ended at the 1.382 at 18.2K. You would complete the wave. Okay, so this is what we would be looking at. Let me quickly grab my brush. Here's your wave 1, wave 2 pullback, and then you would push up in a wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. That would complete that larger wave 3 here in green. You would see the wave 4 pullback and the final wave 5 to complete the wave C, to complete the wave 2 in our pullback zone here in between 18.3K and 20K. That's what I'm looking at. That's what I think is the likely scenario. The minimum target for a wave 2 pullback is here at 17.6K. We never hit that. So I think it's more likely that we just see some pullback before seeing continuation and completing that 5-wave move into a wave C in between 18.3 and 20K, get rejected, and then come back down. If you look at this chart here, let me just drop in a price target. You can see 18.2, 18.3K lines up with this major level of support, now flipped as resistance. So I think we're going to come back for a retest and then get rejected and see continuation down to our price targets of 10 to 12K, 10 to 13K that we've been covering for many months now. When everybody thought the bottom was in right here, we were talking about coming down to 10 to 13K. I still think that's a likely scenario. So looking at this 4-hour time frame, we have this large falling wedge pattern, and we've come all the way up to the resistance of the wedge at 17.2K. So I did mention us seeing a fake out. So if we do see some pullback, we hold the EMAs, we bounce. I think we're going to fake out and push up to 18.2, 18.3, get rejected, fall back down into the pattern, just as we did right here. I think we're going to see that once again, in my opinion. We'll see how it plays out. But so far, our wave count has been playing out beautifully. So if we do start to retrace here, we do have that bearish divergence on the hourly. Look for a pullback in between 16.3 and 16.6 before seeing continuation to the upside. Just locked in some juicy gains on a Bitcoin long position, which I gave a trade signal for in the Discord. It is the first day of the month, so perfect time to sign up through the Patreon. If you want my trade signals as well as early access to my analysis, that can be very helpful along your trading journey. Now, if we were to just continue to pump to the upside, all that means is this smaller 5-wave move isn't complete, but it does look like we could potentially see some pullback here, so we'll see how that plays out. Make sure to sign up to Bybit. I don't currently have it open, but I'll put my full link tutorial on the screen. There's a link in the description for the tutorial. It's also pinned at the end of the video on the end screen if you want to click that. And make your first deposit up to $30,000 in bonuses. You will get completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Let me open it up quickly here. Yeah, once you've made your first deposit, just send me an email and I'll give you free access to the Discord. And at the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis as well as my trade signals. Recently locked in some gains on a Bitcoin long. Before that, locked in some profits on a Bitcoin short. It's only 10 USD per month. You really can't beat it. Sign up through the Patreon link, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.